Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mailchimp for newsletters. First, let's get you started with the basics. You can easily create a free Mailchimp account, which allows you to send up to 1,000 emails to an audience of up to 500 contacts per month. After signing up, verify your email address and set up your initial audience details. This foundational step ensures you are ready to build and connect with your subscribers effectively. Next, let's focus on building your audience, which is crucial for any successful newsletter. You can easily import existing contacts from a spreadsheet or create new subscriber segments directly within Mailchimp. To grow your list organically, utilize Mailchimp's customizable sign-up forms on your website or social media. Organizing your audience with tags and groups allows for highly targeted campaigns, ensuring your messages reach the right people at the right time. Now, let's dive into designing your newsletter, making it visually appealing and engaging. Mailchimp offers a wide array of pre-designed templates, or you can build your own from scratch using their intuitive drag-and-drop editor. Easily add text, images, buttons, and more to customize your email layout. Remember to personalize your emails with merge tags, like including a subscriber's first name, to create a more unique and impactful experience for your readers. Finally, it's time to send your newsletter and track its performance. You can schedule your campaign for optimal delivery times, ensuring your audience receives it when they are most likely to engage. After sending, dive into Mailchimp's comprehensive campaign reports to understand key engagement metrics, such as open rates and click-through rates. Utilize a /B testing for elements like subject lines or content to continuously improve your future campaign performance and achieve better results.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.